Hello, in this present video I am going to discuss about the characteristics or features of monopolistic competition. So without wasting time, let us begin. As we know, monopolistic competition is a market situation in which many firms compete with each other to sell their closely related differentiated products. This type of market has some definite or specific characteristics or features. One by one in this video, I would like to explain you. First of all, the first characteristic is many sellers. There are a large number of firms producing commodities in the market. Large number here implies that there are so many firms that the activities of one firm has no perceptible effect on the other firms in the industry. Each firm controls a very small or negligible share of the total output in the industry. The competitive element results from the fact that there are many firms in the market. Another important feature of this type of market is product differentiation. One of the most important features of the monopolistic competition is differentiation. Product differentiation implies that products are different in some ways from each other. They are heterogeneous rather than homogeneous, so that each firm has an absolute monopoly in the production and sale of a differentiated product. There is, however, slight difference between one product and other in the same category. Products are close substitutes with high cross elasticity and not perfect substitutes. Product differentiation may be based on certain characteristics of the products itself, such as exclusive patent features, trademarks, trade names, peculiar package or container, or if any, or singularity in quality, design, color, or style. It may also exist with respect to the conditions surrounding its sales. Thirdly, I would like to mention about freedom of entry or exit. Every firm is free to enter in the industry and come out from the industry as and when they wish. It means that if there is supernormal profit, new firms would like to enter in the industry. Consequently, supply will increase, price will come down, and ultimately firms will get only normal profits. Contrary to it, in the case of losses, few firms will exit the industry, and as a result of it, supply will decrease, price will rise, and firm will come to the level of normal profits. Thus, under monopolistic competition, firms will be in equilibrium only when they get normal profits in the long run. It happens so because of the feature of free entry and exit in the monopolistic competition. In monopolistic competition, the nature of the demand curve of the market has also some peculiar feature. Under this type of market, no single firm controls more than a single portion of the total output of a product. No doubt, there is an element of differentiation. Nevertheless, the products are close substitutes. As a result, a reduction in its price may increase the sales of the firms, but it will have little effect on the price output conditions of the other firms. Each will lose only a few of its customers. Likewise, an increase in its price will reduce its demand substantially, but its rival will attract only a few of its customers. Therefore, the demand curve, or you can say average revenue curve of a firm under monopolistic competition slopes downwards to the right, as you can see on the screen. It is elastic but not perfectly elastic. Within a relevant range of prices of which it can sell any amount. Finally, I would like to mention about existence or presence of selling cost. Under monopolistic competition, where the products are differentiated, selling costs are essential to push up the sales. Besides advertisement, it includes expenses on salesmen, allowances to sellers for window displays, free service, free sampling, premium coupons and gifts, etc., etc. This is all about the characteristics or features of monopolistic competition. If you have any question or query, you can send your questions or doubts to my email ID. I would like to address your questions. In my next video, I will discuss the characteristics of monopoly or monopoly market. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.